Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is Will again here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Today we're going to do a little walk around video on yet another Wrangler Rubicon build. This is a 2026 Wrangler Rubicon X. Got the bright white exterior. If you can't tell already, this one's sitting a little higher than your standard Rubicon. We installed a AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. We like to call this a Cross Jeep special. So you got the AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. And you got the 37-inch Toyo tires. I mean, these things have a really aggressive tread on them. Then we went with 17-inch Mopar Beadlock-Capable wheels. So they got like a satin black face with a machine protection ring. Got the painted fenders. And of course, this thing already comes with the reinforced tire carrier. Got your fifth wheel mounted up in the back. There's a receiver hitch in case you want to tow a boat or a trailer. Got some yard work to do. This thing is more than capable. Got the Alpine premium sound system. It's got really good sound quality in this vehicle. LED taillights, LED headlights, rock rails, which comes standard on your Rubicon. Got your front and rear steel bumpers, LED headlights, of course, performance vented hood. Kind of step back a little bit, give you a full view of the front of the vehicle. I mean, not much, just goes to show you, it does not take much to fully change the look of one of these Jeeps. Even has a Sky one-touch power top. Very, I mean, convenient item to have. Of course, standard with your 2025s and 2026s, you get the 12.3-inch touchscreen display with the Uconnect 5. I believe this one also has the navigation as well. Got your button layout. So as you can see, this thing has heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start. Got your power windows, front and rear lockers, auxiliary switches. It's your black Napa leather with the red Rubicon stitching. Now this thing is brand new, you guys. 22 miles on it currently. Go ahead and show you the back. So brand new, out the box, turnkey, ready to go. So total price, our original MSRP was $67,785. I mean, you get the Sky one-touch power top, which is a $1,300 option. Alpine premium sound system. I know it's kind of hard to see. This thing has 456 gears. Really sharp looking Wrangler Rubicon X. And I love the Rubicon X's. I mean, a lot of people might not know, the difference between a Rubicon and a Rubicon X, but from the factory, you're getting 35-inch tires, getting the beadlock capable wheels, got the fender extensions to make up for that extra width on the 35-inch tires. And I believe you're also getting a lift from the factory. I'm not 100% sure if it's an inch taller than your standard Rubicon. I mean, this thing might, with the 2-inch spacer kit lift, possibly has like a 2.5-inch lift, maybe a 3. I mean, there's a huge gap between those tires. But other than that, just wanted to kind of show off, yet another Wrangler build. I mean, this one is available, you guys. Check out crossjeep.com. I believe we got this one listed, with the full build, 37-inch tires, the AEV 2-inch lift, the wheels. I think this thing's sitting around $75,000 for a fully spec'd out Wrangler Rubicon X. And not only that, this thing is a lot more capable and trail ready compared to the standard Rubicon. And got a lot more clearance, got a lot more aggressive tread, wider tires. And this thing is fully built. And of course, it's an endless game. Someone's going to purchase this and they're still going to do some modifications. But anyways, be sure to check out crossjeep.com. Give us a call at 502-537-1738. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our website. Thank you, guys.